Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. This is our sample box printing video. We will spray water on the surface of the EPS fish box. Then, imitate the actual foam factory working condition. Dry the surface of the EPS fish box with a wet rag. Then, put it directly on the EPS box printing machine to print. I want to give a big thanks to our team and the customer. Thanks to everyone's hard working that I can presenting you guys with such a video. After the printing is completed, we immediately wipe the foam box surface with a wet rag quickly. You will see that our ink is nearly dry, waterproof. No matter how to wipe, the color will not fall off. This is what makes our ink so powerful. We hope this will give you a better understanding of our ink. Questions are great that give me some ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, let me know about it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay part of the conversation. For more information about EPS box printing machine, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. See you next video.